Independent Walking Tours Business, Brisbane, Queensland. If you're keen to buy a business but don't have much to spend, this is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Walk Brisbane is perfect for a creative, motivated buyer who loves working outdoors and interacting with people. This established business requires no special skills or qualifications and offers flexibility and growth potential with minimal buy-in costs. Established in April 2015, the business offers walking tours of Brisbane CBD for international and domestic travellers and locals. With limited competition and low overheads, Walk Brisbane can be run from home with attractive tax benefits. The business has a strong online presence with consistent 5-star reviews and a modern website with payment gateway. Listed on TripAdvisor, Get Your Guide, Expedia, and many other online sites, Walk Brisbane also partners with numerous inbound tour operators. All forward bookings for 2022 and 2023 are included in the sale. Whilst the business has been affected by COVID, the borders are now open and demand is returning. Huge potential, particularly with the build-up to the Brisbane 2032 Olympic Games. All the hard work has been done building this business, so a new owner can step in and start earning from the get-go. With great potential to grow the business, a motivated buyer will see the possibilities that could be so easily achieved.